now headed downtown to go see my friend. We're going to, it's called Chattahoochee Food Works. And when I looked online, it seemed like it's just a place with a lot of different restaurants that you can go and eat and grab food. So I'm looking forward to seeing this because I'm looking forward to coming here because I haven't seen it before. So depending on how long that we decide to eat or whatever, go to Old Navy, and then once we leave Old Navy, we're gonna go to tjmaxx. I am hoping and being very, very positive that tjmaxx has this body oil that I found maybe like 3 months ago, and I hope they still got it because I've been to all the other tjmaxx's, but the one that I'm going to today, this is where I bought it from originally. Dang it. Oh, $2.50. I thought I missed my exit. I was like, dang it. But anyway, so hopefully they have the oil that I've been looking for because I've been to other stores and they just don't have it. So I hope I can find it. And Old Navy's having a sale. There's some mules that I want to get. I hope they have the mules. Because I really want me some mules. I'm trying to get ready to start collecting my items for the fall. But yeah, y'all, let me pay attention to my GPS because being in downtown Atlanta, y'all, you make the wrong turn, you'll be like going all the way a half a mile just to get back up the street. Alright, y'all. Oh, we had such a good time. Y'all, if y'all live in the Atlanta area, make sure y'all check out. It's called the Chattahoochee Food Works. Y'all, it's so nice when you go in there. They have different, it's just like different restaurants. They serve different types of food. They had Thai food, Greek food. They had just soul food. They had barbecue. They had so many different types of food. And then they sell alcohol too, of course. But it's a really nice vibe. It's real chill and laid back. It's not like a whole lot of ruckus going on. But it was real nice. She did good. That was a nice choice. And I enjoyed her. I really, really enjoyed her. It's always a good time when I spend time with her. So let me tell you guys, if y'all ain't got no friends that y'all not praying for each other, y'all can take a moment to pray together. Baby, you need to get you some new friends, honey. You need to get you some really good friends, because baby, you need to get you some new friends, okay? But anyway, y'all, so it is looking so cloudy. Like, what is going on? Like, it's looking so gray out here. What? It's just 7 o'clock. It's looking so gray out here, y'all. It's looking so crazy. I don't like this. But anyway, y'all, we about to head to Old Navy and TjMaxx. All right, so I'm back at home. So I went to Old Navy with the intentions of finding those mules, and they didn't have them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna end up ordering those online, because I know that they got that nice sale on those mules, and they selling out. They're not gonna have them in the store. So I'm gonna go online and get those. But I'm gonna show you guys what I did end up doing. I ended up going to Old Navy, tjmaxx, Bath and Body Works, and earlier today I had stopped by Family Dollar. So let me show you guys what I had got from Family Dollar. I just picked up one of these little bags, and I think this is my second one. The first one, is it over here? Oh yeah. Yeah, this is the first one I got. I kid you not, I done had it for 2 years, and it's finally tearing on me. Look. So this is my workout bag. Like, this is the bag that I take when I go to boot camp, and what I have in here are weights, my weights, my light set, towel, and my knee pads. So this is what I keep in here. And so look at it, y'all. She done. It's a wrap. So I went right back to Family Dollar, and I got me another one. It don't look the same, and I think this one is a little bit more big. It's a little bit bigger, and it has like that kind of rubbery, not rubber, but it has a different material to it, and it looks like it's gonna have more space. But again, it was only $10. So I picked that up because I got tired of going to the workout class looking ratchet. But I got this with Family Dollar for $10. And then what I did end up getting from Old Navy was some body mist sprays, and they were two. I got 2 of them, and they were like $10 a piece. So the first one I got was, this is Orange Blossom and Tea, which smells, all these smells just like refreshing. You know what I'm saying? This has like a citrus smell to it, in my opinion, but it smells really good. And it was $10. And then I picked up the Sea Salt and Fig one. Another nice, this is not a citrus smell. It's more like a spring clean type of, a springy type of smell, but this smells really good, and this one was $10 as well. So I end up getting those 2 from Old Navy. What I got from tjmaxx was, she really pulled this up. So I was really impressed with my tjmaxx finds. But I got some oil, and I haven't seen this oil in that store 100 times. And I was like, today I'm going to go ahead and get it. And she double wrapped it because it was just really, really oily. And I don't know if it had a leak on or what. But this was only $4.99 at tjmaxx. And I got the Palmer's. The Palmer's coconut hydrant body oil. This is some good body oil. You can use it all over your body. So I went on ahead and picked it up, and it was $4.99. And so I was over in their body mist section. I was over in their like body care section, and I ran across this, y'all. Oh my God. So this is the Sweet Escape. Where are my glasses? That's what I'm missing, is my glasses. So this is the Sweet Escape pistachio, vanilla, toasted coconut, and jasmine hair. Let me get my glasses. This is Nature Love Sweet Escape pistachio, vanilla, toasted coconut, and jasmine hair and body mist. Y'all, this smells amazing. This smells so dang on good. I don't even know if, let me see. They said you can spritz it from it says spritz from head to toe, honey. What you say? Girl, this junk smells so good. Oh my God. Y'all, this smells It smells so good. This is a perfect combination. You smell the vanilla. You do smell the vanilla. You do smell the scent of the toasted coconut, like, but it's a perfect combination. Y'all, this smells so good. This is amazing. I don't know if I'm gonna ever find a TJ Maxx again, but I got this from TJ Maxx and it was $9.99. Y'all, this smells really, really good. I'm gonna love this one. And then what else I got? So I picked up, I was in the men's section and I was just spraying on some of their colognes and stuff, but I ended up going with the Tahari Black. Y'all heard this, Tahari Black. It was $12.99. Let me see, do they have the notes in here? No, they don't have the notes in here. They do not have the notes in here, but, ooh. It reminds me of Jimmy Choo. It reminds me of a Jimmy Choo. Oh my God. Y'all smell so good. A Jimmy Choo for men. Ooh, this smells so good. And it was $12.99. Love it, love it, love it. So, yeah, that's all I got from, that's all that I got from TJ Maxx. Oh, no, I didn't. Y'all, so I had realized that y'all have too many planners. For my personal life, I have at least 4 planners. That's not going to work. It's not going to work. And I had just been saying, I was like, you know what, God, I have got to find me a planner that's going to have pretty much everything I need in one. Because I got too many planners. So I was in TJ Maxx and I was just going, you know, up and down the aisles, just looking and browsing. I ended up finding the 17-month planner, and it's from August 2024 to December 2025. Y'all, this is going to be a game changer for me. So let me just share with you what's inside the planner that really caught my eye. So what I like about it is that on the first couple of pages, it has a goal tracker. And then it has a budget tracker. What? And then I like how large the calendar dates are itself. Let me show you. It has a note section in it. It has a few pages for your notes. But then I like, so look at the calendar blocks. That is huge. I like that. That's a nice size. Those are huge blocks. And with my life, I have a lot to plan, you guys. Like, I have a lot that's going on throughout the month. And I'm a visual person. And then what I like about the day-to-day, which is amazing, look at the day-to-day blocks, like the weekly blocks. I'm done. And then on the other side, like on this side right here, if you want to like have a to-do list for that week, it has that section, that option for you. Yeah, I think she the one. I think this is the one for me. So I got this 17-month calendar, and the brand, I wanted to make sure I seen the brand just in case, you know, I want to continue using it, but it's called Orange Circle Studio. So we'll see, but it was $9.99. I'm very excited about this, y'all. Very. All right, so that's all the items I got from TJ Maxx. So I stopped by. And the reason why I stopped by, because when I was in the plaza, they had a sign on the outside saying that they had their hand soaps and their bar soaps for $2.95. I said, yeah, let me go and walk in here and just see what they got going on. So I ended up getting 3 of them hand soaps. And I got pumpkin latte. Got pumpkin latte. And then I picked up, which one is this? Honey Wildflower. And they had so many hand soaps, y'all. I was like, oh my God, you can go crazy for $2.95. Last one I got was Sunrise Woods. So I got those 3. And then I got 3 of the bar soaps. And And I tried to remember the ones that I like the most. So I picked up lavender vanilla. Y'all, this smells good. So what I've learned about dealing with the bar soaps is if I can't smell it through the packaging, then it's not gonna be it's not gonna have a real lavender, a lavish, like a lathering scent. Like when I take a bath, I'm not gonna really smell it, you know. So I was smelling the packages. I was like, yes, I can smell it through the package. This is good. Because if you go to Bath and Body Works and you do like to smell some of their bar soaps, you guys, some of them you can't even smell it through the packaging. So I'm like, yeah, I don't like that. I picked up Japanese Cherry Blossom. Got that one. And then I picked up the one that smells really, really good. And it is the bourbon. Y'all, I am about to end this daily vlog. I am about to call it a day. It is 9:30 in the p.m. and your girl is done. I'm done for today. I am done. It's been a very eventful day. I had a really good day today. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.